Yeah, attorney too. Yeah. All right. Jacob Walker, Attorney Davis.
Yes. Ready.
All right. Mr. Walker, unmute yourself and let me see your whole face, not just part of the top half of it.
Thank you.
All right. There you go, sir. Now calling the matter. Madam Court Reporter, you there? Sorry. Good morning, Ms. Hurley.
Morning, I'm ready.
Okay, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jacob Walker. This is ticket SP 127652711. Count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing with Jacob Walker, who's present appearing via Zoom. Mr. Walker, state your name.
Jacob Walker.
Judge, at this time, I'm asking the court to place this on the bench trial docket, first available date.
Today's the date and time set for a hearing in this matter. The court is going to honor your request. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Mr. Walker? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of December 5th. December 5th at 9 a.m. Does that work, Attorney Davis?
That's the soonest date you have?
Hey. Oh, yes, Attorney Davis. I was gonna say, have you seen my docket?
I haven't. Okay.
It's atrocious.
Okay.
Let me see. One second. It's almost October. The first one. Now, surprisingly, Attorney Davis, a lot of people violate the traffic laws in the city of Detroit.
Really?
So much so that we have 6 judges who have divided the letters amongst themselves to handle it.
Yeah, I noticed.
Let me see though. Correct. Okay. There.
Madam
How
Clerk,
about November the 7th?
Madam Court Reporter, I'm coming down to the courtroom. This is Dia Chiku Mason, Law Department.
Okay. Attorney Davis.
Yes, November 7th. That works for me. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, November 7th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Walker. Thank you, Mr. Davis. Have a good day.
Okay, you as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Well.
You can sign off, Mr. Walker.
All right.
Mr. Yusuf signed in already? When Yusuf? Yes. Mr. Yusuf?
Yes.
Did you already talk to the attorney?
You know what? No.
Did you sign in
ma'am.
today?
No, ma'am, I just joined. I'm late today.
All right. Yeah, I'm all signed. All right, Mr. Yusuf, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room so you can talk to an attorney today. We have a lot of folks, so please be patient, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Officer Glitzy.
Oh, we have an officer here for you, okay? So we'll get to you as quickly as possible, but you just gonna have to be patient, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Put you in breakout room number 24. Please join that, okay? All right. Ms. Wilson, I'm gonna put you into a waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dia Chico Mason with the City Attorney Law Department.
Yes, how are you?
Good. May I-
Mr. Yassine, Nee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you need an interpreter, sir? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to bring you back another day if you need an interpreter, okay?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, please.
Okay.
قولنا لليوم تاني نحن.
Sorry, إلا فيك تعيدي.
Excuse me,
Yes,
please.
huh, can you what?
What did you say?
I said, I'm
Please.
gonna have to bring you back another day so I can get a court certified interpreter, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So are you the person who's trying to interpret for Mr. Yassini then? Because you understand me very well, so it's not you who needs the interpreter, it's Mr. Yassini that needs it, correct?
Yes.
No.
Okay, let me see who he is so I can know who he is.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I am his brother. I'm outside here, kind of helping him out. And this is Mr. Yassini right here.
Okay, it is. So he understands some stuff, he just doesn't understand a lot of, okay.
And
So
if
how about November 17th? I just got confused because he understood a lot that I was saying, but I'll get him an interpreter so we can make sure he's really clear, okay?
okay, I mean, he's had his business license for the past 3 visits. If that's all that he wanted, he's ready to present it for you. And I asked the court clerk if I can help him. Just you know.
Can't.
Okay.
You can't. So I don't know what got lost, and I apologize, Mr. Yassini. It's the court's error then. We should have had an interpreter ready if this is your 3rd time coming. So the court does apologize.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He's here for a trial today. I can't re-sign him. Never mind, hold tight.
Okay.
Yeah, just put yourself on mute. I can't bring him back. He's here for a trial. Hi, Mr. Yassini, your brother's still there?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room with the investigator. I'm gonna see if we can work this out. Let me bring him back out.
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
No problem.
Really nice.
Investigator Clark?
Yes, ma'am.
I have Mr. Yasini, and I need you to talk to him in a breakout room,
Okay,
okay? I wanna see if we can try and work this out.
okay.
Okay, I'll put you on number 32. Please join that room. Mr. Yasini, I'll put you into that room as well. Let's get a clock. I just have to find your information so I can move you. Here we go. I'll put you in the room. 32. Okay,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. Ms. Williams, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you, okay?
Okay, thank
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, and you, how are you doing?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was having technical issues trying to get my Zoom number and everything, and I just got it. I'm sorry. I know a court has started a little while ago, but I'm sorry. I was just trying to
What's
get
your
the
name,
Zoom number.
sir?
My wife, Lawrence Williams.
Lawrence or Lauren?
Lawrence, Lawrence.
What's your middle name?
Divine.
I'm sorry, you don't hear the commentary today. You late with all these tickets.
Excuse me.
I said you late with all these tickets. That's what the
I'm sorry.
commentary.
I'm sorry.
Laughing.
I'm just trying to take care of them. That's all.
I know. I was about to say, we see why they linger for so long, because if this is your taking care of it, it's signing in an hour and 15 minutes late. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna place
sorry.
you
This is
into a
my first
breakout.
time using Zoom.
I know. All right, Mr. Williams, I will place you into what's called a breakout room so that you can talk to an attorney. I have a ton of folks in here today, so please be patient. I hope you have your phones plugged in because it's gonna take a minute, okay? But be patient, we'll take care of you today, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You know, it'd be nice if I could somehow get them to just tell me who's ready and what off they're taking, and I can do them all for them while they're still talking.
Oh, that would be nice if you could talk that way. All right, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into room number 25.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, join it when you see it, okay? You just
Okay,
be patient, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Attorney Reed and Attorney Tucker, are they ready on there? You know? All right. Mr. Washington, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until you till I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay, so you want me to go to the waiting room?
Yes, Mr. Washington, not Miss Washington, Mr. Washington, okay?
All right.
All right. Let me find your attorney, Miss Washington. I see him. Daniel. They're in breakout. I'm gonna see them there. I'm gonna bring both of them out and, Joshua Wallace attorney. Miss Waiters,
Yes,
you're on my docket for tomorrow morning too, is that correct?
yeah,
All right, come back tomorrow to handle this, okay?
thank you.
You're very welcome. I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Okay,
All right, have a good day.
you too.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Get out of here.
All right, Miss
I
Waiters, go
can't
ahead,
believe
log off so I don't hear your conversation, okay? It's okay. Attorney Tucker, I haven't seen you in a while. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How you doing?
I am doing good. How about you?
I'm well. Thank you so much for asking. Are you ready on your matter or no?
Your Honor, this is the non-jury trial for Mr. Joshua Wallace.
Okay, let me see.
I think it's my understanding one of the officers are here, but Your Honor, the main officer yet again.
Okay. So Officer Easton is here, but you need B. Perkins.
Yes, Your Honor, he was the one with the main interaction. Mr. Easton is his partner.
All right, let me get law department. Did you talk to someone from the law department to see what was going on?
No, Your Honor, I was sitting in the breakout room waiting to speak to the city prosecutor.
Okay, because I'm not the one who gets to decide if they move forward or not. That's not for me.
Right.
I was
Yeah.
about to say, I lost that job. So I give him, let me see if Miss, where she go? Miss Mason, she may have left. Oh, she's not here. Okay, let me find her and then when she goes back up to her desk, then I'll have her go in a private breakout room with you. That'll work.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, no problem. Just hold tight here though, so I want to make sure I don't forget about you. Attorney Reed? Attorney Reed? Attorney Reed? All right, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room until I'm ready to handle you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Good morning. Mr. Reed just went into sentencing. We should be ready in the next 5 minutes.
That's fine. Just put us back on mute, and then once we're finished, I'll handle Ms. Washington's case, okay?
All right, thank you. Yeah.
Welcome. Whole time Ms. Washington, he's doing something in a circuit court. As soon as he finishes in circuit court, I'll handle your matter. Ms. Williams? Gloria Williams, press *6.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Williams, how you doing?
I'm good. You hear me?
I can't hear you now, Miss Williams. I can't see you though, so I don't know if that I'm gonna be able to see your documents. How am I gonna see your documents, Miss Williams?
I have it here.
I
What
know, but Miss
happened with
Williams,
that?
only you can see the documents. Did we talk about this on Friday? I'm not able to see them because I can't see you on the phone.
Is there any way, I don't know what to say because it wasn't right and I had to go up there to their office and they printed it out and gave it to me and I have it here, so.
Right.
Or you could take my word for it. You could take my word for it.
I know, I asked you if you needed to come in because we needed to be able to see them. And you told me you would figure out how to do that, didn't you?
Can it be send over when you to text?
Yes. I'm gonna have you send it to Attorney Faulkner. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so you can talk to Attorney Faulkner.
Yeah. I will take the picture and then, yes, so they could help me through it. And I'm going to my doctor today. I have a doctor's appointment. Today.
All right.
Getting ready to go to the doctor.
I know, Miss Williams, but I told you I had to be able to see it. So I gotta be able to see it.
So you want me to come in another day? Because I got to go to the doctor today. I have
What day is good for you, Miss Williams?
Huh?
I said, yes, I told you to come in another day last week and you chose today. So what day would you like to come in, Miss Williams?
I work Tuesday to Friday, so.
All right. So I'll have you come in on.
Huh?
One second, Miss Williams, I'm trying to find the date.
All right. It's on a Monday, it has to be because and I said we'll find my way. That's why I don't want to come. I can't drive to find I got my license and everything, but I can't drive to come down there. I have to go take a
Okay. How about the 16th of October? Okay.
The 16th of October is a Monday?
It's a Monday, yep.
All right. And what time I should reach? 8:30?
9 o'clock. If you're gonna be in person, come at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, thank you very much. I love you.
I love you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Love you too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day, okay? Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Stay off on 5 and 10 minutes.
I'm back here for the record, Dia Chiku Mason.
Thank you.
Are there any attorneys that need to speak with City of Detroit Law Department attorney?
Yes, Ms. Tucker does. So let me put you both in the breakout room together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so we're gonna put you in breakout room number 2 together. All right, Attorney Tucker, let me find you. Number 2. All right, go ahead. Mr. Wells, you asked for some assistance. What's going on?
Morning.
Good morning. I said you asked for some assistance. I'm finding you. How are you doing?
Oh, okay.
Good. What's going on? You asked for some assistance? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was just I got switched to a lawyer, but then while I was talking to him, I lost the audio and it just switched me back to my screen, my face on.
Okay, all right, so I don't know what attorney you were talking to, but hopefully they come back in there and talk to you, okay?
Oh, okay, yeah, I was in room 18.
Yeah, you still in room 18, that's how I joined this, I'm in the breakout room with you. I signed on through a different device so I could come in here and figure out what was going on.
Okay, yeah, I was just wondering if I had lost the connection altogether.
No, you're still in here, you're still online, we just have a ton of people today.
Just go to room 18. I'm ready to talk to you, Mr. Wells.
No problem.
Okay, she's up, it's the attorney's hearing me right now, he's coming in there, okay? Mr. Yusuf, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay, Tim, thank you.
Mr. Williams, Maurice Williams, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We never got that. So. I removed her. So she's not back on. iPhone.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am. Good morning. Can you turn your camera on for me?
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm sorry. How do you want to do that?
Good morning.
How do you cut the camera? I'm trying to.
Is it me asking you to start video?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. There I go.
There we go. All right. They were trying to get your attention earlier this morning. You were just having a conversation up the wazoo with somebody else on the side. You can see. So, and you going, I can see you. You sucking the lollipop. This is court. This is court. You can't be sucking the lollipop and doing all this extra. Okay. All right. What's your name, ma'am?
I also can't lose my job either. I'm Shalante.
You need to go back another day?
I work morning, so that's not likely.
All right, so here's how this goes. I can either give you another day and you can be off work that day so you can take care of this. You can pay attention for the shorter period of time where you are, because you're gonna be able to work for a moment while you're in the breakout room, just waiting to talk to someone, because we have a very full docket this morning. Or I can give you another time to handle it. Or we can just keep it as it is, like how it is on my docket. It'll go into, if it's not show cause, it'll go into show cause and then bench warrant. But I just need to know how you want to handle it today, okay?
I'm actually gonna go to the restroom to take care of this since it's so short.
It's not gonna be quick though, I'm gonna tell you right now. So that's what I'm letting you know. What's your name, ma'am?
Shalante Wallace.
All right, Ms. Wallace. All right, I'm gonna place you into what's called a breakout room. While you're in that breakout room, you can still do what you're supposed to be doing. When the attorney comes in there and talks to you, they'll talk to you about your case and about your rights for today. Then when you finally come to see me before court, then you can stop working for that period of time and we can handle your case real quick. So I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a long time today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna place you into breakout room. You just gotta join on your phone. I'm gonna place you into breakout room. Breakout room number 26, okay? So join that room and then go back to where you were working. Just sit there, okay? All right. Did you talk to your clerk already?
I get it, we're ready to go, Judge.
Okay. All right, come and stand up by the.
Let me get her.
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Both?
Both of them were here.
I know, where they at?
Oh, I don't know, I'm just in the hallway now. We talked to me and,
They were in the hallway, okay.
Why do I think? They linked twice, no one said anything. Didn't say who was calling. That's right, they hung up there. I can't help it. They didn't really, they didn't listen. Well, don't then.
All right, I have an in-person matter, Ms. Hurley, okay? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus LaShawn Denise Welch Peterson. This is ticket 225721. One count, no operator's license on person. Count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket 259849. One count, driving while licensed invalid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 720752. Count 1, failed to display. Operator's license. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket SP 884231. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP 1413746. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1413730. Count 1, failure to yield right of way. Count 2, defective windshield. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And ticket 2, 99989. Count 1, operator's permit. Count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first, please.
good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. My name is Ted Wallace, P80922, and I represent Ms. Welch Peterson, who stands to my left. Ms. Welch Peterson, please state your name for the record.
LaShawn Welch Peterson. All right, and I have 2 officers in the courtroom as well.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
Officer Penn, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, ma'am. Always good to see you. Corporal Penn, badge number 476, Detroit Police
I'm
Department.
sorry, Corporal, and we also have Officer Robinson. Are you a corporal too? All right, we have Officer Robinson as well. Is it officers? Corporal Robinson. I knew it was something else.
Judge?
Good morning. Yes,
Judge, I didn't catch the first officer's name.
okay, all right.
Corporal Daryl, DERALD, last name Penn, T as in Paul, ENN.
Thank you.
Okay. Did you get the second officer's name?
I did, thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for stopping. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, after speaking with Madam City Attorney and the officers in the hallway, and as well as Ms. Welch Peterson, we've come up with a resolution that Ms. Peterson would plead to 1 count of FTD, 1 count of improper plates, and 1 count of 1 to 5 over and limited access with the dismissal of the rest of the charges.
All right, and ma'am, you want to take advantage of that offer today? Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up your right to have a bench trial? Two of the officers are present today.
Okay.
But you also have the right to have a jury trial. You're gonna give that up though today. You understand
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Understanding all of this, you wanna move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, first I wanna take you to the date of May 16th of 2017. Were you in the area of Gratiot and Ron Streets in the city of Detroit driving an Oldsmobile vehicle? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. All right, and while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time? No, ma'am. All right, and then I want to bring your attention to the date of December 8th of 2022. Ma'am, at that time, were you driving while your license wasn't valid? Yes, ma'am. And did you also, well, I'm gonna change one. Council, will you stipulate that she was doing limited access 1 to 5 over the speed limit?
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, are you satisfied, council?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts?
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display, the amended charge of improper plates, and 1 count of limited access speed 1 to 5 miles over the speed, okay? So for the speeding ticket, it's a mandatory $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am? You need some more time than that? I only pay for the 4. Okay. So how about I make that due in 30 days? That's gonna be October 25th, 2023. On the road. You got quite a few tickets, so I'm gonna charge you $200 on each other ticket, okay? So that's 400 total, but I'm gonna give you some time to pay it. I'm gonna give you until January 25th. Okay? Okay. If you need to make January 25th of 2024, if you need to make a payment plan, go to the first floor and make a payment plan, and then you'll have longer to be able to pay off. No, I'm gonna pay this. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. My bad. Well, that's what you gonna do then. Okay. Well, I'm gonna give you until that time though, to take care of it, just in case, okay? Cause I know that's not, it's not $2, right? But I try to be reasonable, okay? Okay, all right, if there's nothing further. You are all set. She can just wait in the hallway. All right, thank you, good to see you, have a good day, thank y'all both, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Email address.
It's been real.
Attorney Reed? Attorney Reed's assistant? Mr. Walker, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you. Mr. Willis, I'll put you in a waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you. All right. Attorney Faulkner, I have a compliance dismissal. Can you stand in for that?
Did you call my name, Your Honor?
Yes, I did, Attorney
Yeah,
Faulkner.
sure, I can handle it.
Okay, I have the investigator on. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Hassan Yassin. One second before I call it. Can you give me Mr. Reed's email address so we can send him the PSI? Please, can you put it in chat? I'll chat you.
Okay, I'll do it right now.
Okay. Chat Mary Edwards, please, okay? All right. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Hassan Yassin. This is Sini. This is ticket B 501688, count 1. selling or operating self-service without license, and B ticket 501689. One count, it should be unlawful to sell cigarettes without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Hassan Yassin.
All right, I also have investigator Tim Clark here today. Can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Investigator Tim Clark with license and permits, badge number 1252.
Thank you so much. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial, but it appears that we have a compliance. Is that correct, investigate? I saw you unmute yourself. Ms. Mason, did you want to put your name on the record or no?
For the record, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit Law Department, P 43471.
Okay, thank you. It's my understanding that he is now in compliance and everyone has seen the documents. Is that correct, Ms. Mason?
I would have to defer to Investigator Clark regarding that.
Okay.
Yes, I did. Yes, he is
Okay.
in compliance.
All right, I want to make sure. Thank you, Investigator Clark. All right, with that being said, do you have a motion, Attorney Faulkner?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right. Now that he is in compliance, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your business, okay? Otherwise, you just have to come back and see us and deal with all of this, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
I can.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, you can leave. Yep, you can leave, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Clark.
You're very welcome. All right. All right, Ms. Wallace, you can, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, okay, so you can keep working, okay, until I call you. When you come back in here, that's when it'll be time for you to go, okay?
Okay.
All right.
What we doing? Did you go to principal? Well, just a review. I don't know. Remember, in this one you asked about?
Yes, for Mr. Reed. Did you have some?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is Attorney Reed. I'm sorry, Judge.
No, it's okay. I'm just asking, did you talk to Ms. Washington already
I
about
did.
her PSI?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, we gotta send you, oh, I got it. Never mind.
Okay,
All right, we're gonna send you the PSI for her, okay?
okay.
Did you get it or no? I got it. No, I didn't. Okay, here it is. Damn, right, so terrible. Oh, you said we. Oh, yep, you ready? REID and AND RI. Oh, wait, actually, you see it? I should see it on. REID AND REID. It's read and read PC at AOL.com. PC? Uh-huh. At AOL. Oh, yep. There you
Your
go.
Honor, you want to bring in an adjournment?
Who doing it? Because I should fit to the department. Who doing what? Oh, you sent to the right person? All right, don't worry about it. I know. It's Attorney
Your Honor?
Faulkner, what?
You want me
Yes,
to
what's
bring
going
in a request for an adjournment?
Who is that?
That would be Jonathan Wells at 8:30.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. Let me make sure that's all. Yeah. Okay, he's screaming. I'm trying to bring him in right now, okay, Attorney Baldwin?
Yeah, we got it, Your Honor. We went over it. No objection.
Okay, give me 1 second. Mr. Wells? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Lamont Wells. This is ticket SP 1376829, one count illegal dumping. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Faulkner?
Who's the defendant, Your Honor?
Jonathan Wells, that you told me to bring in.
Okay. Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Jonathan Wells.
You said he was looking for an adjournment or pretrial. Mr. Wells, what were you looking for?
Pre-trial.
Okay, you need some time to get some stuff together?
Yes.
All right, I'll set this for the date of November 17th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay? November 17th, come back and see me at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Is Mr. Reed ready then? Or no?
I believe Mr. Weber's ready. You want me to bring him out?
1 second, Mr. Faulkner.
We're ready.
Okay. Jennifer Washington, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jennifer Yvette Washington. This is ticket number Z808815. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. This is the date and time set for a sentencing in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Who's the defendant, Your Honor?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please go ahead, Daniel. Go ahead. Go
No,
right ahead.
No, it's you,
It's all
Attorney
yours.
Reed. It's not you, Attorney Faulkner, it's
Oh,
Attorney
okay.
Reed, okay?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, thank you. May it please go ahead. Daniel Reed, P number 30965, appearing on behalf of Ms. Washington at this time.
Ms. Washington,
Ms.
please
Washington,
state
would
your
you-
name for the record.
Jennifer Washington.
Counsel,
Yes, Your Honor. May it please the court, Your Honor, there was a pre-sentence report prepared. We looked at that. The recommendation is for probation. We'd ask the court to abide by that recommendation at this point in time.
all right. At this time, ma'am, please be happy you didn't hurt anybody. I'm reading it just like you get to read it, okay?
Okay.
All right? Be happy that you hit a curb and not a person or a human or another car. Your alcohol limit was pretty high. It was almost double the limit.
Yeah.
No drinking. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. So at this time, the court is going to sentence you to a term of 12 months probation. I'm going to make you attend the alcohol and highway safety class level 1. Attend and complete the MAD victim impact panel. View the consequence video. You cannot possess or use any illegal substances. No consumption of alcoholic beverages. They said they want you to submit to random urinalysis testing twice a month. I'm gonna keep it at that. They can always lower that if they want to. No new driving offenses. No new driving offenses. Do not use, possess any illegal substances. Clear all your outstanding warrants if you have any, okay? Pay your restitution fees. My fine is $300 plus you have to pay a $100 assessment fee, $35 per month supervision fees, $250 for the urinalysis. That's for the complete time, not per time. That's for the whole entire time, okay? Just so you know. Also, we have court costs that consist of crime victim fee of $75 and 2 court costs in the amount of $100. You will get all of this in writing, Ms. Washington, so that you will be able to know exactly what you have to do for this court in order to complete successfully probation, okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't expect that you'll be in here for any violations, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing
Your Honor,
further, yes.
I would say if my client completes everything and does everything, would the court consider an early termination probation after 6 months?
Yes, I will, but she has to complete and pay all costs and fines by that time.
She will.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll put
All right.
12 months. I'll take May petition court for early termination at 6 months. If all terms and costs complete, okay? So
Okay.
the ball's in your court, okay?
Yes.
All right, show me that this isn't what you want. If not, her review for this matter will be 1 year from now, September 25th, 2024, okay?
We thank the court, the prosecution has been.
All right.
Good.
All right, there's nothing
Thank you.
further,
Thank
you're
you.
all set. Thank you, Ms. Washington.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Ms. Washington. We'll talk. All right.
All right. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
All right, who's the have that you said was ready, Attorney Faulkner? Who spoke to, anybody spoke to Jakia Right? She's asking for help in room 6.
Okay, I'll go in there right now.
Okay.
I'm sure if I can find her file on the docket.
Let me see if I see where she's at. Attorney Tucker, I've been looking for you. I didn't think to look in the waiting room. I was like, what happened?
I don't know what happened when I left the breakout room. It kicked me all the way out.
It's all right. Okay, are you ready on your matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hey man, this is Officer Easton again. I got kicked out again. I don't know what's going on.
I'm about to call your hold on. I'm about to call your case anyways. You're fine. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, fantastic. I was just looking for you in the breakout room. Like, I don't see him. All right, Joshua Wallace, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera, please?
Yes.
And take off your hat for court this morning. Thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua David Wallace. This is ticket SP 1312659. One count reckless driving. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Can I have counsel first, the city, please?
For the record, Your Honor, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit Law Department, P43471.
Thank you very much. And counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Joshua Wallace.
And Mr. Wallace, can you state your name for the record, please?
Joshua David Wallace.
All right, and we do have officer here today. Officer Easton, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Joseph Easton, badge number 668.
Thank you very much. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, for the
Counsel.
record, by way of preliminary matter, I believe Attorney Tucker has a preliminary matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I do have a preliminary matter. This is not the first time this has been set for a non-jury trial in front of Your Honor. There are 2 officers that are supposed to be here, Your Honor. And each time Officer Eason has shown up here, Your Honor, but Officer Brian Perkins, Your Honor, has not shown up either time. Officer Eason is Officer Perkins' partner. Officer Perkins is the main officer, Your Honor, who effectuated the stop, and most of the interaction was with Your Honor. So we need Officer Perkins here. Why he has not shown up twice for this, but his partner has, Your Honor, the defense does not know. So we would ask in the interest of justice for this case to be dismissed.
Response from the city?
From the record, Your Honor, I believe that this is a reckless ticket. I believe that Officer Eason was present. He can testify as to what he saw, as to what he observed. This is not about the testimony of Mr. Wallace, but it's more importantly about what was observed, the driving, the willful wanton disregard for public property and safety. And that can clearly be testified to by Officer Eason. He was present. He was an officer who helped to effectuate the stop in this matter, and he can testify again as to the willful wanton disregard of public property and personal safety in Mr. Wallace's driving.
All right. Well, today's the down bench trial, so whoever we have is gonna go for the bench trial if y'all want to move forward.
Can I say something or no?
You might want to ask your attorney.
Okay, yeah. Well, this was adjourned the last time for the last 2
I'm not
years.
adjourning it anymore.
No, no,
We
that's
gonna go
fine.
with what we have.
But I have requested the video of the officer who is continuously not shown up, and for the woman who was just speaking to say that this officer can testify when he stood behind the car and not one time said anything to me or was
So he's
by
giving
a
testimony
window.
now. So he gonna testify to me, to
No,
Officer
no,
Tucker.
what, no,
You gonna
what,
let your
what?
client testify
Your
right
Honor.
Oh, no,
now?
I'm not trying to
And
testify.
that's what you're
I
doing,
just,
though, Mr. Wallace. You're not trying, but that's what you're doing.
okay.
You gotta
I
talk
just,
to your attorney. I'm not
I
gonna
just,
adjourn you. Listen, we're gonna move forward with what we have, but that's why you talk to your attorney about it, and they'll bring up these issues to me.
okay, so yeah, then me
Okay.
and her need to speak. 'Cause I don't understand why the
Okay,
video of
that's
that
fine.
night is not here.
Y'all can talk. I was about to say, we're gonna move forward with what they have.
Your Honor, if I may, I want to email the ticket to a copy of the ticket to Officer Eason.
Okay. And if there's video that should have been provided, I hope it's been provided.
No, Your Honor, it is not.
No.
Was there a written request for this video?
Yes, it was. It was put in. I became his attorney back in June. Before this,
Yeah.
it was requested numerous times by Mr. Wallace. I requested on July 9th. The court was told that it was supposed to be proffered, and it is not.
Can you hold on for just a second, Your Honor? I'll let me check into that, verify that. I'm sorry, Attorney Tucker, I'll check on that.
Okay. What are you ready on, Attorney Faulkner?
There's a lot of the ones already listed on the docket.
Your Honor, with your permission, I'll let the people who have compliance dismissals into the main session.
Go by their files, I'll see.
Officer Tucker, can you chat your email to me so I can send that to you?
I can.
Thank you. And Officer Eason, can you chat me your email address? Officer Eason? Officer Eason, can you chat
Yes,
me
ma'am.
your email address?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll go ahead and do that for you.
Thank you. Attorney Tucker, it's coming over to you.
Bachman, Yusuf's officer is here.
Yes, that's a compliance dismissal.
Come in. You may. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Yusuf. Oh, hold on. Muhammad Yusuf. This is ticket number 293113, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1357251, drove on shoulder, passed traffic on expressway. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Ticket SP 1004445, driver's license never acquired. And ticket SP 1357230, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, draw, branches, facsimile firearm. Count 3, consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle, or off-road vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Mr. Youssef, please state your full name.
Muhammad Yusuf.
So, Your Honor, I believe the defendant presents today with a valid and current driver's license. If so, I'm going to move the case for which the good Officer Glinton appeared for trial today.
All right. A moment to see if his license is valid.
The other two officers scheduled to appear for trial and notified, Cedric McLean and Deshaun Green, have not appeared, and so I'm moving in those cases for the court to dismiss the cases without prejudice.
All right. Those particular matters, the court will grant your request. It is now 10:38 a.m. No officers have appeared. I'll dismiss those matters. I'm running this driving record right now.
Judge,
Yes,
President, my name is Sergeant Glinton.
yes, sir. Hello,
I was
Sergeant
present.
Clinton.
Good morning. I was present on this case, ma'am.
I know, I have you as
Okay.
present on this case. We're running his driver's license to see if it's valid for your ticket now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Judge. I'm sorry.
No problem. So we do have present Sergeant Glinton. So we do have him present, and we knew it. That's why I was running the driver's license, to make sure that you were. His license is valid.
Nice. So we would move to dismiss that case for compliance, stipulate the probable cause for Officer Glinton's stop, and thank the good officer, the prosecutor, and the court.
All right. So at this time, his license is valid on the ticket, so I'm going to dismiss that matter without prejudice. Sir, the remainder of your tickets, now the officers aren't here to dispute it, so you don't have to dispute it. But if this is some behavior that you did on the freeway, don't do it again.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
ride on the shoulder passing by people thinking that you're more important than, unless you go into an emergency situation. And I believe that going to your house or getting to some location you want to be at is not an emergency situation. Let me give you a quick story. One time, this guy wanted to go around everybody. It's a case at Frank Murphy. And so he went around the crowd, and somebody was on the side of the road, and he dragged that lady on the freeway because he hit her going around. And the family feels awful. Everybody feels awful. Person doesn't mean to necessarily hit them, but they're in such a hurry and they want to move around so many people that they do that, and they end up killing someone. So be cautious when you do stuff like that, especially on the freeway, okay?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
officer. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Did Ms. Watson sign in today, y'all? Yeah. All right, did somebody talk to Aubrey Watson yet? And just so you know, Attorney Baldwin, Ms. Wallace's license is not, it's suspended, it's not valid.
Watson, Audrey Watson has a suspended license. Okay.
No, Ms. Watson doesn't, I don't know what's on hers.
Oh.
The attorney may have brought somebody out and said compliance, that means that he wanted me to check her license is suspended. Adam Wallet, Mr. Attorney Baldwin, did you go back silent? Corporal Ambrose, I'm trying to get your case out here. Just give me a second. That's Audrey Watson, Attorney Faulkner. She's in
Yes.
room number. Have you
There's
spoken to her yet?
Well, there's 3 officers. I didn't know if they're all here, or I didn't know what to offer.
It's just one officer is here. Officer,
Ambrose
Corporal Ambrose is here.
and Darlene Smith and Carl Saunders are not here.
Correct, to my knowledge.
And there's two of them where there's no officer listed.
Yeah, so the only one who signed in, to my knowledge, is Ambrose, Corporal Ambrose, with improper plates, unregistered, untitled motor vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor, and the license. And looks like a speeding ticket as well, if I'm correct. Is that right, Corporal Ambrose?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, I got you. I'm just trying to get it situated. Just hold tight, Corporal. I'm trying to figure out what we're doing with your matter. I'm trying to get you out. You know, it's my work every day.
Tomorrow on Wednesday, so I'm canceling that May.
Officer Easton, did you get the ticket? Did you get the email? Officer Easton?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm checking right now.
Okay. I'm sorry for the delay, Your Honor. I'm sorry for the delay, Attorney Tucker.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay, thank you. I'm coming back down to the courtroom.
Mr. Wallace's phone is about to die, Attorney Tucker. You may want to talk to your client.
Will
Did
do,
you
Your
finish the
Honor. We
breakout
were
room
just
with him?
provided with 2 videos.
Hmm.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I have 4 or 5 that aren't on the docket.
okay, we'll get them together, let me find them.
Be in a breakout room.
Ms. Shelton? Can you go back to the breakout room, please? I'm still working on a plea for you from the prosecutor.
Is her last name really right? Her
It's
last name
Williams.
is Kimberly, right?
Kimberly Williams.
Kimberly.
Right, and
Williams.
I've been on here since 8:30. So in the
A
breakout
lot of
room.
people have been on. Ms. Williams, do you need a new date? I'm sorry, we had 30 people check in this morning. It's going a
Okay,
little
no
slower
problem.
than we'd
I
like
just
to
didn't
go.
know.
Well,
He
Ms.
said, hold
Williams,
on.
you're not gonna argue with me. Ms. Williams, I'm giving you 2 seconds, okay? I understand it's a very frustrating process. I'm frustrated too this morning. I am, I really am. But we can only do what we can do this morning. So if today is not a good day and you don't want to wait any longer, I'll give you a new date to come back to court. So you can let me know. I'll unmute you now. You can unmute. Ms. Wright, what you want to do? Ms. Williams, what do you want to do? Shante Wallace?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Shante Wallace. This is ticket SX 4211061. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, fails to stop within a sure clear distance of accident. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I don't believe I have that.
I know, I thought it was Attorney Baldwin. No?
I'm sorry, I thought, did we call Chantel? Is this Chantel Wallace? Shalante, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Oh, forgive me. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Wallace, state your name, please.
None of that.
Yeah, one more time. Stand still. Judge, the defendant presents today with a valid and current Michigan driver's license.
She does
That's the only
not.
time.
It's suspended. She does
Uh-oh.
not.
Your license is still suspended, Ms. Wallace. Can you recall the case, please?
I know.
Here I am.
Okay.
I have to put you back in the breakout room, Ms. Wallace. When you wait there, your
That's fine.
license.
I'm at work. That's fine.
Okay.
Shit.
Oh, it's okay. And she's not gonna get it because she has a whole bunch of tickets in default, including some accident tickets and no proof of insurance tickets. So until those are paid, she ain't gonna be able to have her license valid. Just so you know, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tickets in default.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then 2 of the tickets I can see already are accident, that's the one on today, and no proof of insurance. So you already know how those affect your license.
Mm-hmm.
She may be able to, but she got a lot of points.
Okay. Ms. Wallace, would you please go back to breakout room number 26? You're already assigned to that room. If you look at the breakout room option.
Wallet, Adam Wallet,
Yes, ma'am.
can you turn on your camera, please? Now calling the matter of People versus Adam Latif Wallet. This is ticket SP 1246945, count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Adam Wallet.
So, Judge, the defendant presents today with valid and compliant documents. The registration is valid until September of 2024, and the insurance will not expire until next June on the 3rd of next year, Your Honor. Would you dismiss these cases for compliance? I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, as an officer of the court, at this time, the court's going to dismiss your matter without prejudice for him having compliance documents. Thank you so much, sir. Make sure you keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I bring in matters that are set for trial where there's no complaint?
Okay, you can do that.
Thank you.
I'll handle in the interim, Mr. Joshua Watt.
I think that we cannot ignore. The answer is the answer is the defense. And I'm telling you, you can be in every single game. Every single game. Don't forget, this team somehow who won the division 3 straight years. How'd they do it? And they got their defense. They did it with their defense, and they ran the ball for 180 yards in that game. That's the blueprint for this team. I don't care. You don't have to apologize for it or whatever. Yeah. Does anybody believe in this guy that he's going to be a great quarterback? No. What I am saying is I recognize what he has. He has NFL arm talent. He has NFL mobility. That's it. I'm not saying he's a leader because he's not. Yeah. He's a child. I'm going to overcome it by playing incredible defense. Yeah, but here's the thing, Rick. You said he has NFL talent, NFL mobility, but he has middle school heart. It got so bad, Rick. The guy understands this. Get the bleep out of here, and his teeth will fall out. We got that video. Look at it. The man.
Zach Wilson, passer rating ranks among all NFL.
Officer Easton, are you here? Need to speak with you. This is Dia Mason, City of Detroit.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, breakout room, let's see. Breakout room 2. Your Honor, if we can go back to breakout room 2, with your permission.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, you two. We want the iPhones. Okay.
Oh.
Are we ready on Ms. Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Back on the record on the matter of the people versus
Shalante.
Shalante Wallace. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel.
Harry Blockman for the defendant, ma'am. Your name?
Shalante Wallace.
Ms. Wallace wants to resolve this matter today. She's going to plead guilty to failing to display a valid driver's license.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Chief, put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 6th of 2023. Were you in the area of Southfield Freeway and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
While you were in that area, did you not have your operator's license on you at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for proper cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one, the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license. Attorney Baldwin, did you talk to them about the other 2 tickets too, or no?
About the other ones, yeah, we spoke about the ones that she needs to resolve in order to get her license back. I gave her some instruction.
All right, so at this time, the court isn't going to give her any fines or costs on this. She has more than enough with civil infractions to pay for.
Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bless you. You're welcome. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Oh, Mr. Walker was one of the people who nobody showed up to trial. Okay, I got you. Gotcha. Jamar Willis,
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Robert Willis Jr. This is ticket SP 1210977, one count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Jamar Willis.
Judge, we are missing one officer, Dion Corbin. And without that officer, there will be no trial for the lack of a complaining witnesses. Would you dismiss without prejudice here?
Your Honor, for the record, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, I believe that Officer Corbin had, checked in on this matter.
I didn't see him.
I thought I had him checked in.
I don't have him checked in.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought he had checked in. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
So my motion is for the dismissal without prejudice, Your Honor. I just want my client to know what that means, that the prosecutor and the police could bring this back if they choose.
So at this time is now 11:02 a.m. No officer being present for this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, that does mean we can bring back this, they can bring back this complaint if they would like to. But as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, you can sign off. Joseph Watkins.
Yes.
Don't work too good when you tell me
Turn your camera on, please.
I will.
Can you sit up for me, sir? All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Joseph Craig Watkins Jr. This is ticket SP 1424254. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, sir, state your name.
Joseph Watkins.
Your Honor, the defendant previously paid a civil infraction that was part of the same transaction or occurrence. It was for disregarding a traffic control device. He got points for that and paid a fine. Would you consider a motion here to dismiss the instant cases for those paid civil infractions?
I will. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you have points in your license, but you paid the fine, so I'm gonna give you a break on these other tickets, okay?
Yes, I have proof of my insurance.
Oh, fantastic. I like to hear that. Absolutely.
Huh?
I said, that's great. Keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, I dismissed it though, okay? So you're all set.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Joshua David Wallace. This is ticket SP 1312659, one count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with the city, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Joshua Wallace.
Mr. Wallace, can you state your name for the record?
Joshua David Wallace.
All right. And officer, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Joseph Easton, badge number 668.
How are we moving forward in this matter?
This time, Your Honor, the people are ready to proceed.
Okay.
Your Honor, at this time, the defense is not ready to proceed. We have received 2 videos of which Mr. Wallace has not had a chance to look over, Your Honor, to help in his defense. And again, as stated, the main officer is not here yet again.
For the record, Your Honor, based upon my conversation with Officer Easton, Officer Perkins no longer works with the City of Detroit. In addition, Your Honor, Officer Easton is also the officer on the ticket as well. Pursuant to MCR 6.615, a valid citation or complaint is valid when it is prepared electronically and filed and signed by the officers associated with the issuance of the ticket. Officer Easton is one of those officers. This ticket is valid and we are ready to proceed.
I'm more concerned about the fact that she just got the video today when she was assigned to counsel back on June 12th, 2023. And today is 3 months later, and she just now got the video, and I know she requested discovery. I'm very concerned, because that puts her in a place where she hasn't had the opportunity to talk to her client so that he can be able to see the video since it was some. You know, it's one thing if it's no video at all, then I can't force there to be video, right? Court can't make video appear even if there was video, as long as I can't show that it was deliberately and viciously or maliciously destroyed. But the fact that there's video, and I know they requested video because that was one of the reasons I assigned counsel. You don't know the liturgy of this, but this bench trial was originally set for May 15th of 2023. We adjourned it to get him counsel because he said it was video. So when I got him counsel assigned, they were supposed to get all the discovery 3 months ago, and this was my new bench trial date for this matter. And today, on the day of the trial, she's giving the videos. I'm concerned. And this is just traffic. So I know it's not DEFCON 3, but somebody who's disputing the charge has the absolute right to be able to see what charges are being brought against them. An officer who no longer works for the department can still be subpoenaed and brought to court. Now, if they choose not to come to court, that is their decision. But they can definitely be subpoenaed to come to court, especially because my court is being Zoomed. How much time do you need, Attorney Tucker?
Your Honor, we need about a week. We can come back next week.
Okay, let me see, let me make sure that's not the day the court is closed.
Oh, is it a
No,
holiday?
no, let me make sure. I know we got Columbus Day coming up here.
For the record, are we open on Columbus, on Indigenous People Day? Wow. Or closed? All that.
We are, I think so. I don't think we gave up that holiday, unfortunately. Today's the 25th, right? Yeah. Okay. October 2nd. October 2nd. All right, I'm gonna adjourn this 1 week to October the 2nd. That's it though. Any motions that need to be made that day need to be made to me. Y'all have the video now. I don't know why the video wasn't provided beforehand.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I have the range that day. Is it possible you could have it like the next day or after you qualified the range that day? October the 2nd.
October 3rd. Council, does your October the 3rd look okay?
It does not, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I quit. Give me a second so I can quit real quick and get.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Is it possible I could go back to work? My phone's on 3%, and could my lawyer text me the date because my phone's about to die.
She can, okay. Mr. Wallace. Go ahead and get out the car. You have been more than patient today. She'll give you all the information, okay, Mr. Wallace?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right. what day works for you, ma'am?
Your Honor, I am wide open that Friday.
Officer Eason, chat me your phone number,
Okay.
cell number. Thank you.
Okay. Does that work, Officer Easton, next Friday?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
If that works for you, Attorney Tucker, is that the 6th that you were thinking of?
Yes, Your Honor, the 6th.
Okay. I just want to make sure. I'm making sure I know what day it is. Okay. That's it. I'm not, we all evened out now. So,
Thank you, Your Honor.
all right. So I'll see everybody October 6th for a bench trial. Just
Thank
say
you.
continue bench trial. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Much appreciated. We appreciate that from the city.
No problem. All right. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you for your patience.
You as well.
All right.
Bye.
Mr. Walker, I feel like how you look right now. Had a long weekend. Lots of fun though, but I just feel tired. I want to relax too.
No, I'm at work. I gotta go back in. They've been out here tapping on the window and everything.
Well, Mr. Walker, your decision to work on the day that you set a bench trial for court is your decision, sir.
Yeah, I can't afford to miss no money right now.
Okay. All right, you ready? Attorney Baldwin, you spoke to him?
We are ready, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus DeAndre LaShawn Walker. This is ticket SP H090551. Drove while license not valid. Ticket number 105784451. No insurance. Ticket number 105784452. Failed to display a valid operator's license. Ticket number 115557971. Drove while license not valid. Ticket number 134010691. Drove while license not valid. Ticket number 207011651. Reckless driving. And ticket number 207011652. Drove while license not valid. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
DeAndre Walker.
Judge, each of these enumerated matters are set for trial. I do not believe the people will be able to proceed for lack of a complaining witness. Some of these matters go back to 2010, 11, and 13. So I'm moving to dismiss these cases without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
Okay. All right. Being that the time is now 11:15 and no officers present, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, I don't know why you didn't come back so many years ago to handle all of these matters, but I hope you know that moving forward, you handle your matters so that you don't have to come back and do all of this in the interim, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. Those matters are dismissed today. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Sit up next time in court, because I'm a nice judge. Other judges would have gone straight off. So with your hand behind your head, you should have set up, be ready for court, because I can see you. I know you may not be able to see me, but next time just remember that, because some people aren't as nice as me. So if you go to other counties and jurisdictions, they're straight
I'm not laying down, Your Honor. I'm sitting up. I'm not laying down. I just have my
I know,
hand
but you
back.
had your hand behind your head. Yeah, it looks like you're relaxing. So even if you weren't trying to do that, don't do it because they'll be really upset, okay? I don't want you to get in trouble.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day. Get back to work.
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Attorney, what was my attorney name?
Hoffman, that's me.
Mr. Attorney Baughman.
Mr. Buffman, do I get, like, can I make sure y'all got my right address, or do y'all send anything, or it's
Oh,
just?
don't say it out loud.
Right.
Is it in Sterling Heights, sir?
Yes,
Okay, on Burlington?
yes.
Okay, we have the right address. I ain't gonna say any more though. This is live, okay?
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. I didn't know. Attorney Wallace, I apologize. I didn't realize you were House Counsel as well today. I wouldn't have given you those instructions.
I got confused because
Okay.
I thought I clarified it with Miss Pruitt, and so she just
Okay.
fussed at me too. So our
Okay. It's okay, you're not fussed at. I just want you to know that if I would have known that information, I would have told you, but I wasn't clear on it either, okay?
okay, no problem. Do
Okay.
you need my help?
Okay, I do, maybe. I still got some folks. So one of the people I have in the room is in room 4. She's here for a trial today. I have one of the officers who checked in, Corporal Ambrose. He's on about 5 or 6 tickets. He's been present. I need to find out what she wants to do today. And if you need an offer, Attorney Mason is still available. Okay, she's online.
Okay.
She's in room 4.
I still have some, I don't have not on the docket.
It's under the trial dates, Attorney Faulkner.
For who, Your Honor?
For Watson.
Well, if
Yeah,
Mr.
Attorney
Wallace is going to talk to her.
How can I do Jewel Wilson? She's just asking for a trial date, Attorney Faulkner.
Sure.
Okay. Thanks. Ms. Wilson? Jewel Wilson?
Miss Wilson or Miss Williams?
Miss Wilson,
Ms.
I'm here.
Wilson. Okay, Ms. Wilson, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Yep, 1 second. Good morning.
Good morning. All right.
Paul
Ma'am,
Faulkner,
I'm gonna
representing defendant.
Hold on. I gotta call it. Ma'am, I'm gonna ask real gently, are you able to take your hat off or no? I don't wanna get you too caught up.
Oh, yeah, I can take my hat off. My hair's just, I'm on the way to an appointment shortly, but.
Okay, all right. Thank you, ma'am. If it was a different type of rap, I would do it, but I got it. We good. All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jewel Leah Wilson. This is ticket SP 1486871. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. And your name, ma'am?
My name is
Yes.
Wilson.
It's breaking up.
Hold on, let me see. Maybe it's me. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
I can.
Okay.
Say your name again, please, Ms. Wilson.
My Jewel Wilson.
All right.
It's my understanding my client's pleading not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, this time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
I spoke with someone.
Attorney Baughman. Yeah, Attorney Baughman. I apologize.
I spoke with someone briefly.
That was me, ma'am.
Okay, yep, I spoke with someone and, yeah, I'm just trying to clear this up because I have a driver's license and I don't know who would have been driving without one. My daughter has a license and she drives my car. And the date that it said the incident took place, we were in the.
Ms.
Yes.
Wilson, today is not the trial date. Today is
Oh.
not the trial date, so I don't have the officer present to be able to make a distinction. And although I don't know you to be a deceptive person, this allowing an unlicensed driver to drive the vehicle means that somebody has some type of vehicle that has your name attached to it that was driven and they don't have a license. So this is gonna give you some time to figure out what may have occurred, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of December 5th, okay? December 5th,
December. Okay.
yes, at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. It is via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. Attorney Wallace, I need you to go to room 6. Oh, did you go to room 2 yet? Let me make you co-host first. Okay. Can you go to room 4 and room 6, please?
4 and 6.
4, 6, yes. Then 10.
Yeah.
Room 10, Michael or Weber, I'm already on that one.
You ready on that one? Okay, bring him out. I can bring him out.
Ms. Mason, would you be so kind to check the chat?
Did you talk to Ms. Williams, Attorney Baldwin?
Yes.
Okay.
There's
Now
nothing in the
follow the
chat.
matter of people versus Kip. You good? Now follow the matter of the people versus, I have Kimberly Marie Shelton and Kimberly Marie Williams. Kimberly Marie Williams tickets are SP 1090428, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket SP 1095606, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1123454. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1176658. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Tickets with the name Kimberly Marie Shelton include ticket number SP 1031591, drove while license not valid. Ticket SP 1034970. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number SP 1036383. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that same ticket is drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May I please support Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Kimberly Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate your formal reading of the charges, and will not forget, ask you to recall these cases. I'm waiting on an offer from the prosecutor.
Okay. I will recall them.
Thank
All right, Ms. Williams, you came out the breakout room, didn't you, to see what was going on? Was that what it was, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am, because I was, yes, ma'am.
When you come out, I think you're ready. So I'll start calling your case, right? As you can see, we've been working.
I had been out, but I didn't know if I was.
Yeah, I know. Y'all don't know, but we have always a ton of people who sign in here. So I know it's a long time and y'all trying to figure out what's going on, Ms. Williams. I promise we're working. Since you came out here, you see we working, right?
Yes, ma'am. And I am too. I'm on the clock.
I know. I know, ma'am. So you just hold tight though. I promise. We're gonna get you in, okay? You
Yes,
keep doing
ma'am.
what
No
you're doing
problem.
until it's time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you go back to room 8 or do you need me to put you in a different room?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna I'll move you to room 7, okay? That way. You see on your screen, join room 7?
Yes, okay.
Okay, join that, Miss. I promise we're gonna get you. Just hold word with us, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right.
Did we do Destiny Wiley?
I have her file. We didn't do her yet. You need to do her. You talk to her.
That's motion to dismiss.
Okay, let me bring her out. Destiny Wiley, you said?
Wiley, yeah, Wiley. The last person at 8:45 at the bottom of the sheet.
I did see, okay, let me. Okay, let me bring her in. She has a ticket in default for speeding. I can do blockading. You wanna go ask her?
Yes.
She's in room 16. She just did 10 miles. Miss Wiley, go back to that room. I didn't realize that you had a speeding ticket. We're gonna try and get that taken care of as well. So can you look on your screen in the corner, hit the corner, there's 3 dots, and go back in there so Attorney Faulkner can talk to you?
I don't see 3 dots.
So hit the screen. You see them at the top where it says breakout room? You gotta touch the screen in the left corner. You see those dots?
I do. Yes.
Okay. Attorney Faulkner, she came out here. She gonna go back in there now, okay? I'm sorry.
That's no
So
problem.
go back to room 16, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Oh, okay.
It's Wiley.
You gotta go back in there, Attorney Faulkner.
Oh, I guess, well, I thought.
Attorney Faulkner. She went back to 816. I'm so sorry.
So
Yes, Ms. Watson?
Oh, I was
Yeah.
just making sure, I was just making sure I could hear. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for the attorney to come back in the courtroom, okay? I know you've been so patient this morning. I know you have been waiting your turn, but I just want to make sure you were good, okay?
Okay, thank you.
As soon as he comes back, I'll handle your matter, because I have an officer here too who's been so patiently waiting this morning as well, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
We're ready on Miss Wiley.
All right. Ms. Wiley, you froze a little bit. You good? Okay, I can see you now.
Good.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Destiny Renee Wiley. This is ticket SP 1456473. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket in default, speeding 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am? Your
You,
name
ma'am.
is what?
Destiny Wiley.
Your Honor, the city would dismiss the no insurance, but she had a valid document showing that it was good insurance. And it's my understanding there's a civil infraction that I have a motion to set aside and to have the offer reduced to blockading traffic. My client accepts that offer.
All right. And ma'am, do you, counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the document to establish a factual basis?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 2 of blockading. The remaining count number 1, because she's in compliance, will be dismissed. Ma'am, slow down. All right, the fine is $175. You typically have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Could you repeat that? How many days?
I said, it's $175.
Oh, yes.
Do you need more than 14 days to pay that or no?
No.
Okay, all right, I'll have it due no later than October 9th, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Is the city available?
Yes, they're in courtroom, they're in room number 4, Attorney Baldwin.
Okay.
Okay.
I have those three that you sent me on, Judge, when you're ready.
All right, I need you to do one more, room 17. I'm gonna have you do some more after that. And Attorney Wallace, we got a lot of problems.
All right, I'll go 17. Can we do these three first so I can get out?
Yeah, we can.
Well, I'll
Aubrey Watson, you're right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Audrey Nicole Watson. This is ticket 307752, drove with while license not valid. Ticket number C540406, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, speeding. Ticket SP 857235. Count 2, improper place. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. SP 857246, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 997039, prohibited burning or refuse and open fires. Ticket number 074745761, no operator's license on person. Ticket SP 1389305, driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Ted Wallace, P80922, on behalf of Ms. Watson. Ms. Watson, please state your name for the record.
I'm Audrey Nicole Watson.
Your Honor, Ms. Watson, I've spoken with Ms. Watson and Ms. Mason from the City Attorney's Office, and it's and we've come up with we've decided that we need Ms. Watson to have a pretrial date. She's going to get some paperwork together for us and try to mitigate her issues.
I have Corporal Ambrose here. Can you state your name for the record? Unmute yourself, sir.
Corporal Brian Ambrose, badge 4151, Detroit Police Department.
Attorney Wallace, you don't know this, but we set this bench trial back in July for today. And before then, these tickets are from like 2018, 2017, 2019. So I'm not understanding why she needs additional time to get paperwork together.
Well, Your Honor, the paperwork was a certificate of completion from Secretary of State for driver's improvement class that she's going to take between now and the next pretrial date.
Oh, damn. By August, September.
If it would, I mean, I guess if there's a shorter time around from when you're scheduling.
No. I'm about to say, she gonna get the time that we have. All right, do you have a motion on the tickets where the officer didn't show up?
I would move to dismiss those, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna dismiss those tickets the way the officers didn't show up. I'm gonna set it for another bench trial. I'm not giving her a pre-trial. Corporal Ambrose has been waiting, and it's not her fault. It's just because we were running behind today. But we've been waiting all day long with the intent that we would take care of this today. These super old tickets that she never took care of in the first place. So I'm gonna give her a new bench trial date on December the 5th. That gives you plenty of time to come into compliance. Officer Corporal Ambrose. Corporal Ambrose, do you have any issues with that date? I know you take furlough sometimes. Are you on furlough during that time period that you know of,
No.
Corporal?
Nope, December 5th is fine.
All right, so I'll set it for December 5th for a new bench trial date. All right?
All right, thank you, Your
I'll
Honor.
see you then.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good.
All right, bond set at $0 personal. I don't think she paid any, oh, she had to pay money on these too. So I'll continue to bond if you had to pay money.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I say something, please?
You can, ma'am.
I have gotten my mom out the rehab. I've been taking care of my elderly mom for the last 10 months. That is no excuse. I have made mistakes in the past. I explained to the counselor, I am 36 years old. I have 3 children. I am just now growing up. All I'm trying to do is get myself together, fix my credit, and do everything I have to do as a mother. They just put my mom on. And
And that's why I dismissed some of your tickets today, Ms. Watson. I know you've been sitting here all morning long. But what I'm also saying too is that you're learning a very valuable lesson, right? That stuff just doesn't go away just because you forget about it. And that's why I'm adjourning it to a further date to give you the opportunity to take this class so that you can try and get a better offer, okay?
And I appreciate that.
Yep. So I understand, ma'am. Life is happening right now for you, and I'm not ignorant to it. So that's why we're gonna give some of these tickets taken care of today. But the officer who did come, I have to honor him as well. Okay with this? So the tickets we good, we took care of. All right. You keep doing a good job taking care of your mom and your family. I know it's not an excuse, but now we're getting it together, right? So now we just got that last stack of tickets to take care of and figure out. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll do it December 5th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, you have a blessed one.
You too. Thank you, Ms. Watson.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Jacayla Wright. Jaquila Wright.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I'm looking at your feet right now.
I'm sorry, it's my phone. It had started overheating
I believe
because we've been on the phone for 3 hours.
I know it does get hot and it will do that. I do know that. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Jaquila Wright. This is ticket SP 1454947. Driving, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Wright. Ms. Wright, please state your name for the record.
Jacayla Wright.
Your Honor, Ms. Wright would like a pre-trial date, or I'm sorry, a trial date.
You want trial or pre-trial day, Ms. Wright?
I don't want to sound ignorant because I don't know the difference, but
It's okay. No, one pre-trial date is so that you can get your documentations together. A trial date is so that the officer has to come in and then we can make an offer based on that. If you have some compliance or some discrepancy with what the charge is, which is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Which one you want to do?
I really didn't know he didn't have a driver's license. So I guess
Trial date.
A trial now.
trial date.
You want to
Yes.
All right. All right. Ma'am, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell? It's okay, just do it. Don't flip it over. I don't want your phone. I understand overheating phones, so you said okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's so you can dispute this charge. Okay?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for December 5th. December 5th at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Very welcome. You have a good day too. All right, Michael Weber.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of People versus Michael Weber. Michael Ray Weber. This is ticket SP 142603131. Delivery of scrap tires, limitations, remover, etc. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Weber, please state your name.
Michael Weber.
Well, you might have to say Ted Wallace again, Attorney Wallace.
I'm sorry, what?
Say your name again. I didn't get all of it. I'm sorry.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Weber.
Mr. Weber?
Yes.
Say your name one more time for me, please.
Michael Weber.
All right, thank you. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, Mr. Weber would like trial date, please.
Okay, is that right, Mr. Weber?
Is it a statute of limitation on that ticket? Because I've been trying to get this over with. It's dragging.
2021, I don't think so. They can bring it up as long as they want to. Usually the statute that they go by when they're automatically dismissed it is like 7 years. Typically, but in some cases they let them go.
They already fined me like $800.
Okay, so Mr. Weber, that was the civil side. So that was over at the law department over on Woodward Street at the Coleman A. Young building. That's a separate division. Those are not misdemeanors over there. This is a misdemeanor. So it may have got lost in the shuffle somehow. I see what date it was. So it was in 2021 in the midst of kind of COVID still going on. So I'm sure it got lost in the shuffle. So it's not, yes. Go ahead, Attorney Mason.
For the record, Diachiku Mason, if I may talk to Mr. Wallace, I may be able to give him a deal on Mr. Weber. Just one quick in the breakout room, whichever one you put us in, Judge.
That's fine, no problem. Thank you for stepping in, Attorney Mason. I appreciate it. Go ahead, Ms. Attorney Wallace. I'm gonna put you into a room with attorney so y'all can both talk about this. Maybe we can resolve it today. I'm gonna put you in room 2, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Attorney Mason. Hold tight, Mr. Wallace. Put yourself on mute. They're gonna see if they can work it out. All right. So you come back, Attorney Bossman. All right, I'm gonna meet everybody so they know what's going on, except for people in Mr. Williams. I need you to put a shirt on.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just put a shirt on and then come back to the camera. All right.
Hi.
Hi. Miss Williams, hold on 1 second. Just put yourself on mute. I appreciate everyone's patience this morning. I appreciate you so much. I'm going to take that into consideration with my fines this morning because I feel like y'all deserve it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? All right. Mr. Williams, put yourself on mute until I'm ready, okay? I saw you were handling the child. I understand. I just need you to have a shirt on so you can put yourself on mute, get your child, make sure your child's in order, and then
No, everything's in order. I'm good to go.
Okay, cool. Mr. Williams, now calling the matter of the people versus Lawrence Williams. This is ticket number SP 1079962. This is one count failed to display. Ticket number SP 1207079, improper place, count 1. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1288741, one count failed to display a valid operator's license. Ticket SP 1319838, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket 268364, reckless driving. Ticket 703120, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 145095, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2 and 3 are in default, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Count 2, count 3, no proof of insurance. Also, got all these tickets in default. All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please, Mr. Williams.
Lawrence Devon Williams.
Thank you, Judge. We thank you for the reading of the charges. We will waive any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant. We would ask respectfully that you set aside any of the defaults mentioned and set these matters for a bench trial date by way of Zoom, please. The defendant's been advised.
All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial or bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of December 5th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank
Are you welcome? Have a good day.
you. You too.
I will, thank you. Darcel White,
December 5th.
December 5th at 9 a.m.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of People versus Darcel White. This is ticket number SP 1471602. Count 1, improper left turn. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 149952001. Count no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 of that ticket is speeding 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Yes, Darcel White.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant's going to waive any right to any further hearings. Today, she's going to plead responsible to the speeding violation that will be reduced here to limited access, 1 to 5 over. The balance of the cases will be dismissed. I would stipulate on her behalf to the information contained within the 4 corners of the face of the complaint and stipulate to probable cause for those matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access 1 to 5 over speed. The remaining tickets called on this record
I'm
today.
sorry,
will
for the
be
record, I
dismissed.
can't hear anyone.
Okay,
Is anyone speaking?
yes, we are.
I can't hear. I can't hear anybody.
Ms. Mason, can you hear me now? No?
We are. We're gonna continue though, because it's 11:56.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Yes, it has. And I still got more people to do than y'all on the screen that y'all can't even see.
Right. I just held it out and hold on.
I know that's right. All right, so it's gonna be due, typically, civil infractions defined as $125 for this one. Civil infractions are typically due 14 days from now. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna give you until October 9th, 2023 to pay that fine, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You are very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Unique Whitfield.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Unique Chanel Whitfield. It's no good. This is ticket SP 1469509. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper lane use. Also calling ticket number SP 1469521. 1 count failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Unique Whitfield.
Judge, we need a chance to do the better drivers class. The defendant's been advised and instructed how to do that. She needs to get their best offer. Can you give us a next action date to return, please?
Yep, I'll see you on November 17th, ma'am, November 17th at 8:30 a.m.
November 17th. Okay.
All right, bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you then, okay? November 17th, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, Maurice Williams. You can log off, man. Maurice Williams. How about Vincent Washington? Vincent Washington?
Unmute your device, sir.
Yes. I'm here.
I'm here. Okay, well, I'm gonna do Vincent Washington first, Mr. Williams. I had called you and you weren't responding, so, and I asked you. Okay. Hold on a second.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
calling the matter of the people versus Vincent Romeo Washington. This is ticket SP 1334602, illegal dumping. Ticket SP 1432576, count 1, defective brake lights, count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1443523, count 1, in default disregard traffic control device, count 2, drove while license suspended. And ticket SP 14853-701, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May I please support Harry Baughman for the defendant? State your name.
Vincent Washington.
Mr. Washington is going to waive any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant and stand mute for arraignment purposes. Judge, we need a pretrial date, please, and thank you.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Any cases that are in default will be taken out. I'll set this next action date for November 17th at 8:30 a.m. sir. I'll see you then.
Okay. It was 3 more tickets.
November 17th. I know I pulled all your tickets that I could. Now, some of them may be too far in default. I'm not gonna pull those out, Mr. Washington. But if it's some other tickets that I called that I can, I will, okay?
Okay, and the illegal dumping, that wasn't even me.
Okay,
All right.
I'm not gonna dismiss it today. I appreciate that you saying it's not you, but they'll give you further action on what to do with that particular ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right. That concludes this hearing.
That November the 17th, that's for correct?
November 17th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Maurice Williams. This is ticket SP 1365979. One count, open alcohol motor vehicle driver. Also calling ticket number SP 1438381. One count, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2 of that ticket is supply false information and or ID to police officer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Maurice Williams.
Judge, these matters are set for trial, and I don't think we're going to be able to move forward without a complaining witness. Please consider here and now a motion to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, the time is now noon. No officer being present here for these matters. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, if you participate in any of the stuff that was stated on your record, please don't do this again, okay?
Yes,
You don't
ma'am.
have to answer, I'm just saying. Don't
Yes,
do it
ma'am.
again, thank you. All right, there's
Ma'am.
nothing further. You're all set.
Take care.
All right, you too. Madam Court Reporter, did you need a moment or no, you good?
I'm good, Judge.
Okay, good. All right. Crystal Chance Williams.
Hi.
Hi. Now calling the matter of people versus Crystal. It's probably Shanice Williams. I'm so sorry. Ticket number SP 1455679. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, registered untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Crystal Williams.
Ms. Williams wants to resolve these matters today. She's going to plead guilty to the improper plate, Your Honor.
All right. Please raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said, by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 1st of 2023. Were you in the area of East Philadelphia and Woodward Avenue in the city of Detroit driving a Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And what, did you have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, at the time, my
I'm satisfied.
my birthday had
Right now.
I'm
I'm
satisfied.
sorry, my birthday had just passed, so yeah.
Miss Williams, Miss Williams.
Yes.
Answer, yes, I did not just tell you I was gonna give y'all all a break. You didn't hear me. I'm giving y'all a break. Don't give me an explanation right now what happened, unless I asked for it. Was it suspended? I don't care if your birthday was a half a minute.
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Yeah, it was.
Satisfied, Attorney Bachman?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause for the matters being dismissed here.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to improper plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. I know, Ms. Williams, it's our nature to explain what happened. And it doesn't matter if it was a day or 2 late. You know that you're supposed to renew everything on your birthday in the state of Michigan. It comes around every year, the same date. The same date. Maybe a different day, but you need to renew everything. I got to renew it too. I don't get a pass. I have to renew it too. My license has to be renewed. My tags have to be renewed. My insurance has to be in place. We gotta make sure we do that, okay? And I know they stopped you, so it is what it is, all right? Costs and fines are waived today. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Bye, Ms. Williams.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I'm ready on Mr. Weber.
Okay, we come back to Mr. Weber. Recalling the matter of the people versus Michael Ray Weber. This is ticket SP 142603131. Delivery of scrap tires, limitations removed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Weber, please state your name.
Michael Weber.
Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Weber and clarified that he in fact would like a bench trial.
Okay, please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Wallace in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, I'll set it for a bench trial on the date of December 5th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your
Here's
Honor.
nothing further. All right, you're all set, okay?
All right. See you later. Talk to you later.
You all right? Bye-bye. I know. Whether you're her, I know you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of people versus Whittier Hurd. This is ticket number SP 1252734. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, consuming marijuana in a public place. Were prohibited by owner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Hurd, please state your name for the record.
Whittier Hurd.
Under these matters are set for a bench trial. I did have the benefit of hearing the good officer come in this morning and indicate that he was across the street and a court of higher jurisdiction in attendance of a murder trial, ostensibly to give testimony. I believe you would adjourn this matter for that reason. I also believe that the defendant would benefit from doing the better driver's course. I've informed him and instructed him how to do that, and we're asking for an adjourned trial date, please and thank you.
All right, Mr. Hurd, I hope you heard what was said. That court is a court of higher jurisdiction, and he is in a homicide trial today. So I'll adjourn it so that you can try and take that course. We already took the ticket out of default, Attorney Boffman.
Thank you.
It's from 2021, so it's already set for today's matter. So I'm gonna give you some time. You wanna adjourn it for a bench trial or adjourn it just for him to take the class?
I think he can just take the class now that we know the officer is committed enough to come in and pursue it.
Okay. All right. There you go. All right, I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of November 17th at 8:30 a.m. Okay, sir? Come back with that taken care of, okay?
You said November 17th?
Yep, at 8:30 a.m. Bond set at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then.
Yeah, see you then, thank you.
All right, no problem. Kimberly Williams?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Kimberly Marie Williams. This is ticket SP 1090428. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket SP 1095606. You know what? I called these matters already on the record.
You did,
So
and we
we
will
call
waive
these
any more
matters.
formal. We waive any more formal reading, and thank you for your original reading, lengthy reading of the charges. The defendant's gonna waive her right to any further hearings today. She wants to resolve this, and she's gonna plead guilty. The recommendation is to one count of failing to display a valid driver's license. That's a no point offense, and one count of improper plate. She's ready to give that factual basis now.
All right,
Fine, how'd that hurt?
okay. Ma'am, if that's the case, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date on or about October 14th of 2022. Were you in the area of Van Dyke and Tumey, Tumey streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, was there no car insurance on your vehicle at the time?
Yes.
And was your license not valid at the time either, ma'am?
Yes.
That's
Satisfied,
fine.
counsel?
I am.
And stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter into the amended charge of fail to display and the amended charge of improper plates on these tickets. All right. You know you have some tickets in default, quite a bit, ma'am. You understand that older tickets?
We discussed that, Your Honor. The defendant's been instructed how to get some focus by going to the Secretary of State. She's gonna return to driver's license status. Soon as she
Okay, and she has a number of reinstatement fees she's gonna have to pay,
Mhm.
ma'am. So I'm not gonna give you any cost and fines additional to that because you already well over the thousands of dollars that you owe us, okay?
Thank
Pay
you.
your ticket and pay those reinstatement fees so that you can get your license back, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further.
There's numerous of reinstatement fees, and I have to pay the driving without license and
You have, let me tell you, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. So you're at 315, plus you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tickets in default. And those are like $200 a piece. So I'm gonna let you pay all this off, okay?
The tickets or the reinstatement fee?
The tickets and the reinstatement fees. If you don't pay some of these tickets, you won't be able to get your license back anyways.
So those
I'm
wasn't the
saying they
tickets that we
already,
dismissed.
so they're already in default anyways, because you never came to court on some older tickets, so they're already there. You just have to pay them. I'm not giving you any new costs because I can see how much you owe already. And so I'm going to be lenient today to allow you to pay those other tickets off, okay?
Okay. I'm kind of confused, but okay.
I know you're confused. Okay, so the tickets you have today, some of these tickets have what's called reinstatement fees attached to them. You have to pay those reinstatement fees. But see, I can fine, typically my fine is $200 per ticket. So I would add an extra $400 to all these costs and fees that you have to pay. But I can see on a different sheet of paper that you have some tickets you didn't pay, like an improper passing, 2 expired plates, no valid
Okay.
registration, all these tickets that are older that I didn't call on the record today. Pay those off instead.
Okay. Okay.
Get me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. And look under both of your names. So do your driver's license number because it'll pull up both of your names, your married name and your other name, okay?
Okay.
All right. And then you can take care of it. We good now, Ms. Williams? You understand? No new fees, but all the fees that are standing now, you gotta pay that are outstanding, okay?
Right, and that's the reinstatement fees and the old tickets.
Thank you. Yep, there you go,
Yes,
Ms. Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we got it. All right, you good, Ms. Williams? Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, bye.
You're welcome, bye-bye. All right, Marvin Washington.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Marvin Washington Jr. This is ticket SP 1471015. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, defective brake lights. Ticket SP 1471009. Count 1, operation of unregistered off-road vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Marvin Washington Jr.
Judge, this matter is here for pretrial. The defendant, to my surprise, hasn't had an opportunity to do the better driver's course. He's been advised. Can we have an adjourned pretrial date, please?
All right. I will set these matters for the date of November 17th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay, sir?
All right. Is it the same Zoom number?
Yes, it is. Do you need me to give it to you so you can write it down, or are you good, sir?
No, I have it.
All right. Yep, we'll see you then, okay?
All right.
All right. Bye-bye, sir. Bye, Mr. Washington.
All right.
Pronounce your first name for me, Miss Wright.
Patricia.
Okay. All right. Can you turn your card on for me? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Patricia Diamond Wright. This is ticket SP 1464732. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Wright, state your name, please.
Patricia Wright.
Thank you, Judge. Defendant's going to plead to the single count of open alcohol as a passenger. The other counts will be dismissed here. I understand she has a right to the trial. She's waiving that as well as those rights attendant to trial today.
All right, please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. No. Do you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to
I
move
know
forward
I wasn't
today?
time for that. Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 14th of 2023. Ma'am, were you in the area of Grand River and Myers in the city of Detroit in a Ford vehicle?
I was in the area, but I wasn't in the car.
Well, all right, Attorney Bowman, how we move forward with this?
You weren't a passenger in that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
You keep making me say
Okay,
the
whoever
same
you're talking
thing.
to, who's ever distracting you, do you need to talk to them for a minute before we continue, Ms. Wright?
No,
It's
I'm
okay if
ready.
you do.
No, I'm ready.
Okay. All right, so were you in a vehicle in that area of Grand River and Myers in the city of Detroit, a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
All right, and while you were in that vehicle, did you have open alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
Satisfied.
Satisfied as well? Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. All right. What'd you have in that vehicle? What'd you have that you were drinking?
See, it's hard for me to explain. I wasn't drinking, it wasn't mine, but it was my car. So I'm guessing, you know, they still would say it was mine, but it was a beer.
It was a beer.
Say that one more time.
I said, you said it was a beer.
Yeah, like $1 glass beer.
Your Honor, if I may, it's the charge is having open alcohol, not drinking.
You said your name for the record, attorney?
Paul Faulkner, Your Honor, co-counsel.
All right. I know you made that face, Attorney Baldwin, but I mean, it would make sense if she wasn't in the car. She was allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, so she may not technically have been in that vehicle.
I'm satisfied with the factual basis this morning.
I am too. I was gonna say, we got it in before she started talking. So, I understand. You can't have alcohol in your motor vehicle, ma'am, at all. And you can't let people who are unlicensed drive your vehicle. That's really the problem. Okay, even if they whoever to you, they cannot drive your vehicle. Okay?
Yes.
All right, I think it's punishment enough. She got some points. Now, I usually don't do this, especially on alcohol cases, but I do see that it says allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. How many points is it involved in, 2 or 3?
0.
For open alcohol as a passenger is 2.
It's
Allowing is 0, right?
And
So-
it's not abstracted either.
Okay, all right, well, she has the 2 points now. I think that's enough. She pled to the open alcohol passenger, right? All right, no fine today, okay, Ms. Wright? Typically, I
Yes.
give a fine, but I'm not gonna give you a fine today because you got the points, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you for your patience today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
All right. I do have one additional person. And they were on here, Sean Ward. Did anybody talk to Mr. Ward?
I did, Your Honor. Can you set that matter for trial? I'm sure he just dropped off.
Okay. Sure will. All right. That concludes this morning docket. I gotta hop on a bench meeting real quick, y'all. So I hate
Bye,
to.
everybody.
I do. I have a 12. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. Today and
Okay,
Wednesday.
bye all.
Bye. Let me take it. All right.